Hello everybody and welcome to the 7th video of my 3D printing series. Some LEDs of one of the light rings of my garden fountain broke, so I decided to create a new light ring. First I measured the voltage of the light ring. I need the exact voltage to know how to solder the LEDs. I expected something linked 12 volts and as you can see it is around 12.6 volts but for my surprise it is AC voltage and not DC voltage. To account for the AC voltage I decided to solder the LEDs like this. In this way for every phase 3 diodes will lighten up. I created the LED light ring in Blender. First I created a simple LED model. I used then this model to punch some holes in the light ring, so the LEDs will fit there later perfectly. I created then the water tube and some elements, so I can easily attach the cover. The cover is relatively simple. It has some elements to attach to the light ring, a hole for the water tube and a small hole for the cable. I printed then the LED light ring and the cover in black PETG, so it will withstand better the sunlight and the weather. As you can see, the new LED light ring looks almost the same as the broken original one. Now let's prepare the cover. The last thing to do is to glue the cover and the diodes. I decided to fill the LED light ring with hot glue. PETG can be glued very good with hot glue. To test if everything works I use a DC transformator. If I connect the red wires and the black wires together then the first 3 diodes light up. When I switch the voltage the other 3 diodes light up. Everything works like expected. Now let's test it on the fountain. It works really beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video please hit the like button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and never miss a new video.